Today in this Power Automate video tutorial, I am going to show you how to convert a number into hexadecimal format. So here this is a preview of my flow where I just this is the preview of my action. I took it from my flow, and here I gave a number that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can suppose you can give any number and it will convert a hexadecimal format using the Power Automate flow. Let's see how to convert a number into hexadecimal format. So in browser, to log in my Microsoft ID and click on sign in, and here it will ask to insert our user ID and password, and then it will sign in. So once it will sign in, you can find all the application inside the app launcher. If you are unable to find any application here, you can click on the explore all your apps, so it will display all the application that is integrated to your Microsoft as per your licensing and the pricing. So as we are going to create a flow that will convert the number from a number to a hexadecimal format. So for this only we will go open our Power Automate in a new tab. So once our Power Automate is open, we can click here also. If you will click here create, then it will open to our create page, or you can click here also. That is the left navigation, you can find the create option. Okay, let's click on here. Yeah, here we can find all the application of all the varieties of the flow that we can create by using the Power Automate. Let's create an instant cloud flow. If you are interested to want to learn how to create an instant cloud flow based on different scenario, I will show you the description, that link, and you can click here and go to that video link, or any I also mention our articles that I published I wrote based on the instant cloud flow. You can get some ideas also. So click here the manually trigger flow. For the instant cloud flow, I am taking the trigger that is manually trigger a flow. So that means whenever I will click on the trigger, the flow will be triggered. Give a flow name like convert number to hexadecimal. That's it, and click on create. In my previous video, I have shown how to convert a number to currency format. You can check it out, that video. It might be very interesting. You can find. Okay, let's come back to this flow and click on the new step, and here we will add our here you will add the logical action to convert the number. So okay, in the trigger I will add an input like number, so that user will insert the number here. Please I will just insert number. I am giving the number name as the insert number. Okay. And then click on new step. Here new step, we will add an action that is number format. Yeah, this one, number function. Under the number function, you can find the action is format number. So click on that action, format number. Here we will give the which number to be formatted. So we will give the trigger. From the trigger, this is the number. Here we will, whatever we will give the number will be formatted here. So click on this field and select this dynamic content number, and this is showing the format, the numeric format string. Okay. So you can choose here to format this number any to any with this format. Otherwise, you can as we are going to format the number to hexadecimal, here we will select X and 0. So X Here I will give the x and 0. Okay, and additionally here you can change the local. Suppose I am going to change this local as the ENUS, that is US English. Okay, where it is? Yeah, this one, and that's it. Okay, let's save this flow and run in it, and let's test it. Click on manually and test, and let's see, give a number here 1 2 okay, 756 142. I have a huge number. Okay, I just gave it to the here and click on run flow, and within a while the flow will run. Yes, our flow is ran successfully. Let's expand this and check whether the number is converted to the hexadecimal or not. Yes, whatever we have given here, it is converted to the hexadecimal. Okay, so another format, this is here we can see the hexadecimal number is coming in the capital things, capital alphabet. So we can convert this in the small alphabet also. Let's see how to do this. Okay, here this is here I am giving the capital X and 0, and let's see, I am giving the small x and the 0, and then just test it again manually and save and test, and let's give a number like 786543210. Yeah, so click on run flow and test it. Yeah, now our flow is ran successfully. Expand this formatted number and see here it is the magic. Okay, so now the hexadecimal number is coming in the small alphabetics. Okay, this is how we can convert a hex number to a hexadecimal using the Power Automate. I hope guys you find this video tutorial as useful, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel for free video tutorials on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Python, Machine Learning and many more. So thank you so much.